My shit beachy as fuck. Look at my shit. Damn, my shit hard.
Ooh.
Damn, that was a good one.
That was a good one.
My shit, see this shit clear.
The first one pretty took Hey, Jamari, you ever threw your phone in the water?
Yeah. It's waterproof. My shit waterproof.
That motherfucker shit really waterproof.
Yeah, I told you, this new phone out, man.
It's a puddle right here. Let me throw it in.
Damn, look at my shit. My shit. Damn, my shit crispy clear.
In the dark.
And I got the flash. Damn!
Yeah, see. How far that is. And it's headed east. It's headed east, man.
The fuck? Can't see shit. Oh, there you go.
Is it better?
Nah,
Damn,
it's not
you
focusing.
got no flash on your shit, man?
Yeah, I got flash on it.
Is
No,
it
my
on?
yeah, it's on.
Damn, I was like, I can't see this shit.
My shit beastie. Look at that shit. And watch when I stop recording. We can watch this motherfucker.
I don't want to see that.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
That was sweet. That's a good ass camera, man.
What's that shit moving around?
That's a bug. That shit's beastie. It's showing the bug flying. You see that shit? That shit. Look at that. Look how bugs fly.
Shut up,
Look at that shit. Look at it. But my shit beastie, nigga.
There ain't no fucking bug.
Bro, there is a bug, bro. What the fuck? Look, he keep coming across the screen. Look, right there, that bug. You see him? Bro, he doing his thing. I mean, I speak him. And I'm recording like that at the same time. The nigga retarded, though. Look what he doing.
That's the spider that's about to bite you.
Nah.
He said the whole spider sounded everybody.
Now, damn it, Bree, if you hear a spider, it sound like...
Yeah, on everything. You better fucking...
Yeah, nah, I'm on some sci-fi shit. I'm acting like a white girl.
You better not act like it's some movie and shit.